Good morning, children. Now, here's another module for you for revision work of the chapter Landforms in Geography. We have already done revision in the last module. Now, in today's module, we are going to discuss the exercises which are given at the end of the chapter. The home assignment was uploaded in the website and the link was sent to you. I hope each one of you have done the exercises. Now here we are going to discuss the answers so that you can cross check the answers once again. Now the first is state true or false. A land uplift of a height of 600 meter is known as a plateau. This is true. Red Sea is located in a rift valley. False. In faulting, the portion which sinks down is called the graben. Yes, it is true. Aravallis in India are young fold mountains. This is false. They are actually old fold mountains. Erosional agents like rain and groundwater are endogenic process. This is false. The endogenic process are the ones that happens inside, but rain is an exogenic process. Now the next is fill in the blanks. Lithosphere is broken into pieces called tectonic plates. The upper layer of mantle is called asthenosphere. Sierra Nevada and the Grand Tetons in the United States are examples of their block mountains. Fissure, shield and cinder are types of their volcanoes. Longest graben valley in the world is the Great Rift Valley. Now differentiate between the following. This was uploaded in the website as home assignment. The answers were also given. Once again I'm discussing it, just pay attention to it. Differentiate between exogenic and endogenic process. So in exogenic process, the external agents, external means that happens from outside, like rain, groundwater and other natural elements, slowly break down rocks. Erosion removes weathered material and transports them from one place to another. Whereas in endogenic process, the internal processes and forces deep within the earth give rise to volcanoes, earthquakes and metamorphism. The next one is the syncline and the anticline. The bulges or the upfolds are called the anticlines and the depressions or downfolds are called synclines. Children, as explained earlier, due to compression, when the tectonic plates hit each other, we had discussed that the land bulges upwards and then they form the mountains. Now these bulges or upfolds, they are called the anticlines, and the part of the land that moves downwards, they are called the synclines. Now next we have the fold mountains and the block mountains. Now fold mountains are formed when two plates move towards each other and collide. That means they hit each other. Faulting in the rock layers leaves some blocks of rocks upstanding. Okay, some rocks they move upwards and the other they sink downwards. These blocks standing on either side are called the block mountains. Now, the erosional plains and the depositional plains. The erosional plains are the result of erosion of mountains, hills and plateaus. So, when due to the external factors such as rain and heavy winds and all, due to those factors, when the mountains and the hills, the plateaus, they get eroded away, the plains then formed are known as the erosional plains. Whereas in case of depositional plains, it is formed by sediments brought down on large scale by natural agents such as moving ice, water and wind. So when they bring it down and they get deposited on a particular region, the plains then formed are known as the depositional plains. So children, please do your work neatly. I hope everybody must have done it till now. This was the revision session. Do your work neatly and your copies will be checked once the school reopens. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.